Hello. Today I want to talk to you about the Yamaha YAI-1 Conference Ensemble. The YAI-1 is a solution which allows you to have a completely installed audio in your conference rooms for your UC applications. The YAI-1 actually has several Yamaha components to it, which combine the best in audio input and output and now allow you to easily install the system in your rooms. Talking about the components, I will start with the new Yamaha PoE-powered speakers. These speakers are actually line array speakers with 16 speaker elements, which allow for best audio playback in the room. They also have a directional characteristic to them, which actually means that the loss of audio in the room and on distance is limited, allowing for best audio within the room without being too loud in the front of the room and not loud enough in the back of the room. The system comes with 8 microphones. For the conference room solution, we include 7 directional tabletop microphones. These microphones can be placed on the table depending on where people are sitting in the room to actually capture best their audio. The conference room solution also comes with 1 variable microphone. This microphone is very good for a presenter because it can be simply plugged on the shirt and now actually have hands-free and wearing a microphone which captures everything which I say as a presenter. Besides voice output and of course capture, we need to connect the system to the PC which has the UC application running. For that, we include the Dante to USB adapter, which actually can simply be plugged into the PC in the room or into a BYOD device like a laptop. The interesting thing here is that this cable run is really a Dante network cable run. So this connector can be up to 300 feet away from the equipment in the room. This really allows you to support BYOD environments even in larger conference rooms. Let's talk a little bit about the technology which is behind the YAI-1. The YAI-1, we put it in a rack here, actually has 3 components to it from a background technology perspective. Number 1, you have the Executive Elite wireless microphone receiver. All of these microphones which we were talking about are actually talking to that receiver. The receiver takes the signal and creates the microphone or the audio signal which goes back into the system. The audio signal is then being transferred into the DSP, the digital signal processor. The digital signal processor does everything which needs to be done for echo cancellation, noise reduction, mixing of the audio, ensuring that actually the best signal is being sent to the far end of the UC application. The different components are really talking to each other using an IP network and using Dante on that IP network. So the third component you see in here is a network switch, an IP network switch which is Dante enabled. This network switch is also manufactured by Yamaha. All of these components really come from Yamaha. Therefore, it is one company delivering the full solution for you.